Hi, this is Gil from the Lemont Public Library, and today I'm going to show you around our brand new app. So the first thing you'll see upon loading the app is the do-it-yourself section at the top, which has scan to checkout, mobile printing, and reserve a room in it. Scan to checkout, you just tap on that, will give you an option to enter a barcode manually or scan a barcode with the camera of your device, and it allows you to check out an item on your own. Basically a mobile self-check that you can use just with your own device. You hit the open camera here, you're not going to see anything at the moment, but you just fix this on the library barcode. You'll know it's the correct library barcode because it'll say Lemont Public Library on it, and then the app will read that barcode and check out the item to you. Mobile printing, if you tap on it, will bring you to our Print from Home webpage. You can use this to send your files to be printed on our printers. So to do that, you just tap on the Select File button here, select the file that you want to print, enter your name or card number in the required field here. Make sure that you don't have any spaces in a name if you just enter one, and then just press Submit. After about a minute, the job will make its way to our print kiosk here, so you can just come in, enter your name in the print kiosk, pay for your print, and release it. Reserve a room brings you right to our study room reservation section, and you can go here and book any of our 5 rooms, provided that you are a Lemont card holder. From there, you'll see our events broken down by age group, event type, date range, and then there's a link to the newsletter here as well. So say that you're looking for adult programs, you just swipe over and tap on adult, and it'll show you adult programs that are upcoming. You can just tap on the register button to register for them, and you can do that all from right within the app. Most of these services under services here will just bring you to different pages of our website. For example, get a library card will bring you to our getting a library card page here that just tells you what you need to get a library card here. Gives you a link to the application, and there's also a link to create a temporary library card that can reduce the time to get your library card when you actually come in physically. Loans and renewals just gives you information about how long you can take out different items from us. Book a Librarian brings you to a Google form where you can place requests for longer one-on-one assistance with one of our librarians. Copying, scanning, faxing just gives you instructions on how to copy, scan, and fax respectively, and you can see the picture of our scan fax station there. Passport information takes you to the passport page of our website, you'll see here in a moment. There's a bunch of options here depending on your situation. You just need to look and see which one fits your particular details and select that for guidance about how to go about getting a passport. Also, on this first Know Before You Go tab, at the bottom of the page here is this If you require an evening or weekend appointment, click here link. That, if you tap it, will take you to the external calendar site of our part-time agent who does evening and weekend passport appointments. So if you need an evening or weekend passport appointment, just go ahead and click there, and then you can find a slot that'll work for you here. Museums brings you to the page of our website that has links to Museum Adventure Pass and Explore More Illinois. 3D printing brings you to our 3D printing page, which lets you know what the requirements are to submit jobs for the 3D printer, along with including links to Thingiverse, which is a site that has a whole bunch of cool free 3D models that you can request to be printed, and a link to Tinkercad, which is a free 3D modeling software that you can use in your browser to make stuff to be 3D printed. VHS to DVD conversion just covers the VHS to DVD conversion process. You just bring in VHS tapes. We have a VCR here with a capture card on it, so you can capture the output from it. The name is a bit of a misnomer because you can, if you want, just save the output to a file and then copy that to, say, a flash drive rather than convert it to a DVD. But we also have blank DVDs, writable DVDs, and a DVD writer here, so you can do that route as well if you want. And license plate renewal just covers the process of getting your license plate renewed here at the library. Our recommended reads is just a list of curated titles from our librarians, stuff that's new and you might be interested in checking out. This will change periodically as we update it. And eLibrary here basically just duplicates our eResources guide link on our page. It's got ebooks and e-audiobooks through Overdrive/Libby and Hoopla, which are our two platforms for those items. Some of our business databases that we have access to. Consumer and DIY databases we have access to. Novelist and various search engines for books. Ancestry and Heritage Quest for genealogy. Again, some general research databases. Some homework help databases. Our various newspapers or digital newspapers we have access to. And then online learning, which is Udemy and Mango Languages. Lastly, on the main page here, there are some e-magazines that you can take out directly in the app if you want. So you can just look at the top titles here, or you can look by various categories and take out magazines if you'd like to read them in app. Additionally, there's a sub-menu that comes up if you hit this button in the lower right corner of the screen, which I'm going to do now. And you can see it brings up some more stuff here. Newsletters just brings you to our webpage that has all of our programming newsletters on it going back several years. Location information is just information about our building and hours. Reading Challenge will bring you to Beanstack, which is the third-party site we use to host all of our reading challenges and summer learning challenges and all that good stuff. And BookRecs will bring you to a form that you can fill out to get personalized book recommendations from our library staff. Additionally, we have a general link to our website here, contact us, donation, and our various social medias. Facebook is by far our most active social media if you're going to look at any of those. If you look at the bottom of the screen here, you see home and search and such. But the interesting thing here is Account and My Card. Account, once you sign in with your library card, will allow you to see what you have checked out, any hold requests you have, any events you've registered for, all that good stuff in one place. And My Card is a virtual version of your card that will make your barcode appear on the screen of the app, and that you should be able to scan to check out items or that sort of thing. That's about it for the main stuff of the app. You can find the app if you have an iPhone or iPad on the App Store, if you have an Android phone or Android tablet on the Play Store. And we'd really appreciate it if you checked it out. Thank you.